Hello mga kabibs ni MG Bibs, good morning. So for today's video is mag-meet me sa akong friend. We're gonna be meeting my friend. She's also a married Italian guy and she have 3 baby. So we're gonna be meeting in Colonica, but I'm here in Massa Marittima. But I met her in Colonica together with her husband and the children's. So but I'm going to Colonica after lunch because she will be arrive at Colonica around 4 p.m. so my husband will bring us there in Colonica, and after lunch we're going there, and after that we're gonna meet her. I know her through friends, and she has also a YouTube channel. Her channel is Mommy Jonafi YouTube channel, Mommy Jonafi. So hello Mommy Jonafi, see you later. Finally we're gonna be meet na. We're gonna meet finally, and I'm excited to see you later. So for now on, my dear friends, we are here with my baby. Where's the high school school, and yeah, because he wanted to walk, he loved to walk so much. So this is the high school area, school, and now he's walking. He loves to walk over here. I'm also keep an eye on my baby. Even though I'm doing my vlog, I still keep an eye on my baby. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. We go out in the morning with my baby after breakfast, and then after that we transfer another park, and then we find a swing area, and then after that around 12, almost lunch, we go back home to eat lunch, and then my husband will bring us there in Colonica to meet my friends, Mommy Jonafi. Her Facebook, guys, Mommy Jonafi also. So Mommy Jonafi, see you later. So this is where I am, guys. So that's a bar at the back, and there is also a school for baby, like kindergarten school. So this is a high school here. So yeah, my baby walking, so I need to walk also. I keep an eye on my baby. So this is the area, my dear friend, where we are. So see you. I'm gonna show you a Colonica later, the view there. Anyway, I have already latest vlog. I have my latest vlog already, but I wanna show you also the center and the beach, and with my friend that finally we meet, because she's very far away from us in our home, and she come here in Toscana for vacation. So she want me to meet in Colonica. So see you. Hello guys, now we are leaving, going to meet my friend. So my husband bring us there, and I meet my friend, and I know her through a friends also, and then I know her, and also she has a YouTube, and I encourage her that she will have a YouTube to do a vlog, and finally she got monetized in the YouTube channel, and finally we meet in person. And this friend I'm gonna be meeting, it's a Filipina, and she married Italian guy, and she has 3 kids. And true friends, this one, and she live in Lago di Garda, if I'm correct. And then she come here for vacation in Toscana. So it's a good timing, because we are also here in Toscana. So we're gonna meet here in Colonica together with her family. So I'm happy to see you.
Super chismoso.
So this is the road, guys, going to Colonica. It's peaceful road. That's why I like also here, because peaceful, no traffic. I like province. It's good for it. It's good for driving the car. So this is Toscana. Tuscany in English. In Italiano kay Toscana. Yeah. I'm excited to meet her. And she has also a baby girl. 1 year old. There you go, my friend, over here. There you go. Hello guys. Now we're going to my friend now. So I'm walking by baby stroller because my baby is sleeping. So now I'm going to my friend, meet her. So we're gonna meet her. See you. I'm walking now to meet her. I'm excited. I'm excited to meet her, guys. Where is she now? Let's go. Where is she now? Here, here. Where is she now? Andiamo. Where is she now? Hello guys, nakita na dyan ni Mami Junafi. Naanami diri sa Polonica. Finally nakita nami. Na si Mami Junafi ay. Hi, Mami Jo. Finally nakita na dyan ni Mami. Kita namin ni Mami Junafi. Finally ang iyang family namin sa Toscana. Mami Junafi.
Na 3 hours ra no, nag-travel pag 6 hours.
Ikaw kay 6 hours ka no? Ako kay 5 hours.
Okay, di gikan pa ba mi sa tuyo.
Oh, tuyo po jud. So mao ni ang Polonica guys, dito sa Toscana. So nakita namin sa kong friend na kung busy kayo sa iyang kariton. Busy.
Kilang ba video dai? Bada na rice.
Ay.
Basta kinumbay la kinutsa.
Pobre. Siya mo kwa. Polonica guys. So nawa na. Nakita na jud mi sa akong kung amiga. Ayan. Wala din mga kalalap. Polonica, Toscana. So, dagat na din ang mga kalalap. Ituyo kung kuha